the dent we're working today. Right on the body line. The Chevy Silverado. I'll show you what it looks like with the light on it. Here's what it looks like with the light on it. It's a pretty sharp dent. You can see the eyebrows, the crown right on the edge. You have to do some tapping down to get that. I swear I'm the luckiest dent guy ever. Every time it rains, customer has a garage. There we go, there goes the after. No paint or fillers used. That's with the light off of it. Really good. Ooh. Fill out a form at thedentrooper.com for a free estimate.